Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to show you folks the 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage, our hottest seller down here. Let's take a quick peek. It's got the Abaco blue hull, absolutely beautiful. You've got the joystick twin 250s with the joystick operation. They're the brand new motors for 2019. Fantastic, plenty of power. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270 Vantage. Let's start at the back. Great seat in the back. You've got a fold down seat. It's 3 adults very comfortably here. Nice high back. If you want to fish, you can flip it up. Nice leaning post here. Fantastic. Speaking of fishing, we have a live well that's tucked down underneath this seat. And you can lift this up. You got a good sized live well for live bait. On this side here, we've got a little prep station area with a cooler underneath it that has a tray that slides out. And then this seat does both directions. It's fantastic. You got a nice vacuum flush head down here with a moon roof in there, so you got plenty of light down there. So a nice vacuum flush head. And then this one is powered by with the joystick. As far as docking, you can make the boat go sideways just by doing this. It's got skyhook, locks you into position. It's got autopilot, fantastic. Plenty of room to put your electronics up here. Marine, whatever you decide to do, plenty of room up here. And then as we move to the bow, really nice U-shaped seating. And so you've got a lot of room up here. It's probably one of our best-selling boats that we have down here. It's a windlass underneath. You can put a boarding ladder on there if you want. It's just an all-around great boat. So if you've got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Please call me at 603-213-1194.